In this video, I'll show you how to create a Facebook ad account in Business Manager step by step. First, sign in to Meta Business Suite and open your business portfolio. From the dashboard, go to Business Settings, then click Accounts and select Ad Accounts. Click Add and choose Create a new ad account. Enter your ad account name, select the correct time zone and currency, then click Next. Choose the option to use the ad account for your business and continue. Next, assign yourself or your team members the appropriate permissions to manage the ad account. After that, open Billing and Payments and add a payment method if required. Review all the information carefully and complete the setup. Once your ad account is created, you can open Ads Manager to create campaigns, ad sets, and ads. Keep in mind that Meta may limit the number of ad accounts you can create based on your account history and eligibility. That's how you can create a Facebook ad account in Business Manager. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more easy Facebook and Meta tutorials. Thanks for watching.